right, I'm going to hit you with something that just changed, and almost nobody's talking about it yet. Seriously, this affects your insurance, your mortgage, and your roof all at the same time.
It's the Mortgage 101 podcast where real talk meets home and life.
I've got Craig Sweeney here with Mighty Dog Roofing. This is his world, and when he told me this, I said we need to get this on camera right away and just get it out to the people. Craig, what changed?
Well, thanks, Manley. As of March 18th, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac both are now allowing something called actual cash value. That's ACV for short, for roofing coverage. Sounds technical, but it's actually a pretty big deal.
Let me frame that real quick. Historically, lenders want full replacement coverage on roofs. Now there's more flexibility, but that also means more risk is shifting to the homeowner, which is you. Let's break that down like I'm a 5-year-old, Craig.
That's funny because sometimes you act like a 5-year-old, Manley. So 2 buckets, Manley. Full replacement coverage, where insurance pays to replace your entire roof, or ACV, like I just talked about, which is actual cash value, where they pay you what your roof is worth today, after age, after wear, and after depreciation.
Hey, Craig, give me a real-life example, because that was a lot of mumbo-jumbo. Bring that down to something that just happened recently, especially with all these storms we've had, and I think we're going to get pummeled again tonight.
I think we are. So let's say you've got a 15-year-old roof, a storm rolls through like last night or tonight. With replacement coverage, you're probably in good shape. With ACV, or actual cash value, you could be writing a pretty big check.
Yeah. Hey, same house, same storm, totally different financial outcome. That's where people are going to get caught. Let's bring this into a real transaction. You've got a buyer under contract, inspection comes back, the roof is older. Now what happens?
Now insurance becomes the question, and that's where things can get messy. Renegotiations, credits, even deals falling apart.
Oh my gosh. And yeah, from the lending side, anything that creates uncertainty or insurance that causes friction late in the deal, this is where things break and get super messy. What are smart agents and the pros that you work with doing differently?
They're getting ahead of it. Quick roof check, clear answers early, no surprises.
Yeah, get your people out there now. That's the play right there, because the worst time to learn this stuff is
during a claim,
right
or
in the last
5
minute.
days before closing.
Yeah, right before closing, and right at the last minute. This isn't about scaring people, is it, Craig?
No, it's not. It's just being aware, staying in control of the situation.
Yeah, if you're a homeowner or a buyer or a realtor and you know what coverage you have or the condition of your roof, you know what your actual exposure is.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And if you don't know, that's what we're here for. You know, Manley's going to handle the mortgage side, I'll handle the roof side, and together we're going to keep deals clean and people protected.
Yeah, let's go get it.
Let's go.
Folks, I have a special guest here. I want to introduce Craig Sweeney with Mighty Dog Roofing. Craig, thanks for coming on the show today. Manley's Mortgage Minutes. We just did a little quick subject about insurance and how it's changing with Fannie and Freddie and all that kind of stuff. We just did a great little run through on that. But I just wanted to give you an opportunity to say a little bit about yourself, say a little bit about Mighty Dog Roofing.
Well, I guess first off, thanks for having me. I've been looking forward to this for months and known you for years, known your business for years, and a great job you do for your clients. You know, a little bit about Mighty Dog Roofing. We're a local roofing company, locally owned roofing company, but backed by the national buying power of a national brand, right? So Mighty Dog Roofing is a full-service roofing company, both residential and commercial, working a lot with residents in Southeast Wisconsin. I focus a lot in Lake Country, Waukesha County, and Milwaukee County, of course. But certainly, you know, I'm in your backyard. So when you're looking for a roof replacement, roofing repairs, or anything due to, you know, weather-related situations, I can help you. We deal with both insurance companies. We have a department that only deals with insurance. We call that our insurance department.
There you go.
Which makes sense, right?
Makes sense, right?
Makes sense. What that means is a client doesn't have to worry about filing their claim, about really, you know, looking at what the estimates are from both us as well as the adjuster. So, you know, we take it from soup to nuts. They don't have to worry. They get a new roof, you know, they get a replacement, they get a siding replaced, whatever it may be that they need, we can take care of it.
Awesome. So how long have you been involved in this business?
So I've personally been involved for 3 months.
Okay.
The Mighty Dog Roofing team here locally, the team that's on the ground, boots on the ground, the production team, has been around for 22 years locally.
Okay.
And 5 years as Mighty Dog. Production team is fantastic. We've got crews that are unbelievable, all local crews, so we don't import folks from out of state, which is important. You know, storm rolls in like it might tonight. You know, something you want to be wary of is these out of state, what we call storm chasers. Those are the folks that you want to be wary of because they might give you a good price on a roof, but you don't know what you're getting, and when they're gone, they're gone.
gone, they're gone. They're not like the folks you saw in Twisters that were storm chasers.
Eh.
That were to the cool storm chasers. that
Exactly.
bolted the truck to the ground where the tornadoes came whipping through.
Yeah, those were
And
the
then
cool
those
guys.
are the cool guys.
Absolutely.
These guys, not the cool guys.
Not at all. Not at all.
Know who you're dealing with. I've known Craig for a long time myself. Whatever he's involved in is always going to be great. It's going to kill it. Looking forward to doing much more stuff with you, Craig.
Looking forward to working with you going forward and helping your clients out, Manley.
Yeah, appreciate you being on the show here with me today.
Absolutely. Anytime.
Thanks.